I saw your door was open, and so I thought I could just come and... Oh. Yeah. Well, can I... Thank you. So, no, honestly, I didn't sleep at all last night. I mean, I tried, but everything just went through my mind. I couldn't think straight. All I could see was that moment, that unforgettable moment, just happening over and over in my head. I didn't even know about anything. I just walked, as I usually do in the evenings. Then, I God, I can't even say it. Sorry, sorry. I knew you were going to say those words, you know. I was actually waiting for them. And I so knew that I wouldn't know how to respond to them. Except that picture, that image, is forever imprinted in my mind.